I'm Jeanniey Walden, and this is another episode of Liftoff. If you want to watch me run around the house at night, I'm going to drink coffee right before bed. You are not going to believe what we're talking about right now. It's coffee, but not just any coffee. I'm here with Lindsey from Java Factory. We're going to break the Guinness Book of World Records, which I'm going to let her tell you this news. So, Lindsey, thank you so much for being on the show.
Yes, thank you for having us. We are so excited to be aligning with the Guinness Book of World Records to achieve an award for the most flavors put out by a coffee company in 1 year.
That is so incredible. So can we just stop and talk about that for a minute?
Absolutely.
To get in the Guinness Book of World Records, how many coffee flavors do you need to put out in the course of 52 weeks?
Yeah, so we are putting out one flavor every week for 52 weeks.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's like light roast, medium roast, dark roast.
Yeah, so we are taking it well beyond that. Java Factory is already known for shaking up the coffee aisle. We do things like blueberry shortcake.
What?
And yes, and happy birthday flavored coffee and bananas and cream, but we're taking it a lot of steps forward, 52 steps forward.
Wow.
Starting Monday, June 29th, we're launching one flavor every week for 52 weeks straight.
Wow. Okay, so I see all these coffee flavors here that I just now I'm looking at. I thought it was just packaging, but you've got coconut, you've got the bomb. Like, this is insane, but someone was telling me these are not the flavors. You're launching even new flavors on top of that.
Yeah, absolutely. So we are already in the flavor game.
Yeah.
We have so many exciting, options in the Java Factory wheelhouse, but there is so much more to come. Starting Monday, we are launching with our Sundae Pancakes flavored. So this is pancake batter and maple flavored coffee. And every week from there, you will experience a new flavor. We're partnering up with a lot of awesome companies throughout this process, and we're so excited to show everybody what's coming.
So tell me a little bit about, like, where did this idea come from, and who is the taste tester of these flavors?
Yeah, so the team is super hands-on with the whole process, especially the tasting portion. We have an in-house quality control team. We do all of our research and development at our location in New Jersey. So we strategize ideas. We work with our flavor house to bring in samples. We do constant taste testing to improve flavors and see how far we can push the needle and what works with coffee.
That's so amazing. So have you tried the Sundae Pancakes?
I have, yes. It is awesome. It is like breakfast in a cup.
Now, let's talk about, does it have sugar, lots of caffeine? Like, what are the different levels of what am I drinking when I'm drinking this?
Yeah, absolutely. So we have no sweeteners in our coffee.
Wow.
It is just coffee and flavoring, and it's a standard K-cup, so you're getting about 80 to 100 milligrams of caffeine in a cup.
Nice, that's so exciting. Now, I'm looking at this one. Is this the next one?
Yes.
This says, okay, so this is candied pecan.
Yes, so that is our
Coffee
week 2
and
flavor.
pecan, pancake and maple syrup. Where can I find these?
Yeah, so you can find these flavors and all of the information about the launch at javafactory.com.
Okay. Now, can I buy these at a store or do I order them online?
So this this activation will be available on javafactory.com and walmart.com.
Okay.
It's going to take a bit to get into retail, so follow us online for everything
I love
that's
it.
to come.
I love it. This is great. How long has Java Factory been in business?
Java Factory has been a company for several years now. The company took a big rebrand in terms of packaging and approach about 2 years ago, and we're so excited for how it's been received and what's to come with the brand.
All right, so if I am new to coffee, maybe I only drink tea or I drink water, but I want to try coffee, and you've got all these flavors, what are the top first 3 flavors of Java Factory that I want to taste?
Yeah, absolutely. So the fan favorite internally is blueberry shortcake here. It is so fun. It tastes like dessert. If you want to go a little more classic, we've got s'mores. We have French toast that is like a maple cinnamon. And then you can get really wild with it. If you want peanut butter and jelly coffee, if you want bananas and cream coffee, we have you. So choose your adventure.
I have got to try like all of these.
Yeah.
Now I'm like, do you drink it in the morning? Do you drink it instead of lunch? Like, when do people drink these?
Yeah, so it is so fun to be able to enjoy your morning cup of coffee and indulge as if it's a dessert, but choose your adventure. If you would like a coffee right before bed, go for it. Yeah.
All right, if you want to watch me run around the house at night, I'm going to drink coffee right before bed. Lindsey, thank you so much for
Thank
speaking
you.
with us. This is so cool. I am so glad that we saw you here, and I cannot wait to taste all these 52 flavors and see you in the Guinness World Records.
Thank you so much.